Orí ìyá mi àbùn mi lọ́mọ èsúrú kì í yàgàn. Orí ìyá mi àbùn mi lọ́mọ èsúrú kì í yàgàn. Tí n bá tẹ̀bà sí yàrá o, ọmọ ni kó bá mi jẹ́. Tí n bá tẹ̀bà sí yàrá o, ọmọ ni kó bá mi jẹ́. Orí ìyá mi àbùn mi lọ́mọ èsúrú kì í yàgàn. Èsúrú kì í yàgàn meaning none shall be barren. And you know that the Bible also says none shall be barren. But I know that being a mother doesn't mean you have to be a mother biologically. And the song simply translates to, may my mother's grace be upon me so that I can have my own children as well, as my mother bore me. So I'm saying this to every woman. May grace be upon you that as your mother bore you, you will have your own children. Maybe not necessarily biological. A mother nonetheless. You've got some great mothers on earth that didn't biologically bring children on earth, but they mother them so well. This is me in the spirit of what I am wearing. That for every woman that decides that that's what they want, you shall not be barren. Isuruki yago. Kusiko kone to mayami.